Today we're learning the Sailor descant. The notes you need are D, C, and B. Let's begin by learning our fingerings. D, 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 C, B, B, B. C, C, D, C, B, B, B. D, 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 C, B, 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 C, C, D, C, B, B, B. Once you've learned the descant for Sailor using the high notes D, C, and B, go to the recorder website, click on Belt Challenges. Remember, the Sailor descant is going to be your purple belt. Good luck!